In this video, I'll show you how to change the default font in Google Slides. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. Google Slides does not have a simple one-click set as default font button like some other apps. The practical way to make a font act like the default is to change the fonts in your theme using Theme Builder. Google's official help says a theme controls fonts, colors, backgrounds, and layouts for your presentation. First, open your presentation in Google Slides on a computer. Then go to View and open Theme Builder. In some Google Guidance and Community Answers, you may also see this shown as Slide Greater Than Edit Theme, but it opens the same theme editing view. Once you're there, click the top theme slide. That top slide controls the overall style for the presentation. Now click into the title text or body text on that top theme slide, then open the font dropdown and choose the font you want. This is the key step because changing the font there updates the base styling for the theme. If you want to use a font that is not already in your quick list, open the font menu and choose More Fonts. Google says you can browse and add more built-in fonts from there, although this option is only available in some languages. After that, go through the layouts underneath the top theme slide, like title slide, section header, and content slide, and make sure they are using the font you want. This part matters because some layouts may keep their own font formatting. So if one layout still shows the old font, click its text placeholders and change them too. Community guidance on changing default fonts in slides consistently points to editing both the top theme slide and any layouts you actually use. When you're done, close Theme Builder and return to your presentation. New slides that use that theme should now follow the font choices you set. If you want to reuse the same font setup again later, save the file as your own template or duplicate it whenever you start a new presentation. Google's help also notes that themes can be reused and imported into other presentations. So the basic idea is simple. Open Theme Builder, change the font on the top theme slide, update any layouts that still use the old font, and then use that theme for your slides going forward. That's how to change the default font in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.